Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to unbox this Insta360 that I've just purchased. I opened the main box and let's see what's inside the box itself. So we have got this lens cover and it's a memory card. Let's just remove everything first. These are transparent lens covers, two of them, one for me and one for my friend. And what else? Yeah, you get this. I got this in the bundle. This is the bullet time handle stick. Not seen that before. And this is the regular invisible selfie stick. So, and of course the camera itself. So let's open one by one and let's see all of them. I'll just keep this box away. So I just opened this with a knife, and I thought I should share with you, all of you, so that you know how is the packing. So I stopped unpacking, and so this is the one which you get with the camera. I am also seeing this for the first time with you guys. So let's open it. Okay, so this looks like a nice rubbery texture, very soft to touch. I don't know how to explain it to you, but it's very nice and soft. I'll keep it here. Don't need this. So that was in that box. Then let's see this. Got my trusted knife. There's skin packing on it. Let's see how hard it's going to be on camera, especially when I'm looking through the camera like you guys. This is what happens when you cut the nails and don't have any nails. So this is some third-party lens covers, and look interesting. Two of them, two sides, because the camera has lenses on both the sides. Just like this, it will be covering both the sides, but this is a single one, and this is the transparent one. So I can put this also and still record if I feel the lens can get scratched in that case. But I don't think I'll use them. I'll just keep them in certain areas. I might use them. So these are two, and similar to this is one for my friend, this is for me. So these are the two. This came in this. Let's keep it together. Okay, memory card I don't need to show you, unbox it or anything. It's their own memory card, and it is 64 GB. So let's keep it here. Then next, let's open this one. I like this packing. Just a wooden cardboard. That's very nice, eco-friendly packing. And inside there is styrofoam. Nothing else. I don't think there is anything else inside. I think it's just a shell, just like this. A cube is there inside on the other side so that it doesn't bang or rattle in the packing. And I don't think you need the knife now. So this is the stick, and this is, I think, a 3-meter stick if I'm not wrong, and you put the camera here vertically, so you can actually, this stick becomes invisible in the software, and it has got threading over here, so you can also use this on another stick or something you have to fix on a dolly or something, so you can still record with it. So this was what came inside this. Now let's see this. This will need a knife. Okay, so this is the bullet time handle. Basically a stick which can bend at 90 degrees. So you can shoot a 360 photo or a video if you're sitting with your friends This is how it looks. Some instructions which you don't need, and this is heavy on the top. It's light at the bottom because the bottom is plastic. Unlike this feels rugged. This feels metal, whole metal construction with this rubberized grip. This one feels completely plastic. I think only this ring is, even that is plastic. I think only this portion, this portion is metal, and rest of it is plastic. And you got a threading over here. I think this threading should work on this. Yeah, it should work. Yeah, so you can even lengthen it if you want, and maybe that is required. I don't think this thing can extend. Yeah, so that thing is required to be put on this, and then somehow this is also a small mini tripod, so that's also very nice if you're alone or something. And how does this operate? I have no idea opening it. So this is lock and unlock, okay, and help me with this. I don't know what this is. This is for what? Okay, this is another threading. So so this is how you put it at an angle, and then you can rotate the camera. This thing, yeah, you can rotate the camera, taking 360 rotations, so that you can get a 3D photo out of it. And you can put this over here then. So I thought this thing also extends just like this. It doesn't. This is just a handle and a 3D. Very smooth, by the way. This is very smooth, so you will not get any jerkiness when you're taking the 3D video or 3D photos. Very smooth, and it's your job to keep this smooth. If you're going in sand, be careful. The sand will get trapped in this, and if the sand gets trapped in this, then it's going to be very rough. Don't try to put it in sand. Don't take it on the shore, or if you have to take it on the shore, buy one more stick and keep one clean, so you don't take it to the shoreline, as you're going to make it bad. So I'll just put this over here. Sorry, this thing goes here and this thing goes here, right? So this is the bullet time stick, but we keep it over there. And finally is the camera. So this is the X3 model. This is the latest, and I was told not to buy the X2. The software is not good, they said. So actually my friend told me not to take the X2, so I went for the X3. So let's see. Okay, it's finally out. Now I don't need the knife. I think so. Let's just keep it aside. So typical packing, plastic film, which is, I don't think it's required. Maybe in some wet conditions, but I don't think, why are you going to make it wet? Maybe. Anyway, so here's the camera, and wow, this is quite a dense camera. When you feel it in your hand, there are absolutely no rattling sounds, no wobbly buttons, nothing is loose. Two lenses to take a 360 shot, two sides, a screen, and the guard is there, of course. There's a guard on this, there's a guard on this. And I've heard that the battery case is very easy to remove. I don't know, I've seen it for the first time. I think it just, maybe this is for, okay, so this is Type C, USB Type C, so I think you can transfer your photos from here if you don't want to remove your memory card. That must be the requirement. Oh, okay. And I don't know what else is there. I think these are the microphones on both the sides. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments. And this is the power button, and this looks like some QuickTime, or you can modify this or program this according to your needs. Then the threading is there, so you can actually put your camera directly at the bottom, as I told you in the beginning. this way, and then your stick becomes big. How do you, or you just pull it. Okay, so that's easy. And so this is the camera, Insta360 X3 model. This is the latest for I think 2023 2022, I don't know, but this is the latest one, and this feels very nice. This is very nice to touch, somewhat like this, and yeah, the texture is somewhat like this, but this is softer, and this should go on this. Yeah, that's that looks very funny, like some bird. But yeah, that's a protector for the lens. That's nice and fit. It's not going to come out. Okay, so you have to pull it out. It fits very nice. That is good. That fits snug. Otherwise, if it was loose and now only, and after using this for 1 year, this would have become extremely loose and just fall off. So that's good. It's not falling off. It won't fall off, and fell from the table. Finally, this is all that we have got with the camera. This all, and what is there in this? It looks like a big case. I forgot about this. How does this one open? Okay. Wonder what is there inside this now. So there's this is a Type-C cable, I'm sure, yeah. So a Type-C cable is provided. So, and I hope it's not too short, because these companies have a habit of giving very short cables. Then we have to rely on third-party cables, and those are not good quality cables for data as well as power. And some manuals inside, some stickers. Yeah, so there is a sticker, just like GoPro uses stickers. So there are stickers in this, and this is a very nice soft case. It's a very nice soft carrying case. Oh, that's very nice. So the camera should fit in this, obviously. How do you put it in? That's a very snug fit. I don't think it goes inside. I'm dropping everything today. So yeah, it goes in. It's quite tight, and that's good. I don't want to make it loose, as I said, after 1 year of use. So this is a nice cover. Our camera is not going to fall off. Give you some protection if it falls from your hand also, because this thing is thick. This thing is thick. Good. I like it. And so that's about it. That's all you get with the camera. The wire, USB Type-C, and it was some manuals. The stick I got separately. This stick I got separately. They gave me a memory card just because I bought a bundle. I think I got the memory stick with it, and this cover was a part of the bundle, and I got these extra covers as I showed you. So you seen it, these transparent lens covers. So that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, queries about the Insta360 camera, do you want me to compare it with the GoPro size? I can show you the GoPro size comparatively with this. Just hold on. So as I said, I got the GoPro just to compare the size of the cameras, and this is the GoPro 11, and just to compare the size, this is the camera. Here is the size difference. Thickness, yeah, GoPro is thicker, quite thick. So lengthwise this is short, and widthwise this is small. Even the thickness, this is thinner than the GoPro. And the screen size, I think even if the screen size is big on the GoPro, I think usable screen, this one has a bigger usable screen than the GoPro, I think. And of course, 2 cameras versus 1 camera, and 2 screens. GoPro has got 2 screens, and this has got just one screen. So it's not about the GoPro. If you're not seeing the GoPro's unboxing video, the link will be in the description. Please check it out. And this has been the unboxing of the Insta360 X3 model. I hope you like the unboxing. If you like such videos, please give it a like, and please share the video and subscribe to this channel if you're new. And thank you for watching this video. And as always guys, enjoy and have a nice day. Thanks guys.